It doesn't take much space to create pure luxury. Look at this organic warmth, using wood slats and stone textures to make a small bathroom feel like a boutique spa. Or you can go bold with high contrast marble. In 2026, it's all about dynamic lighting. These blue LEDs against black veining create a truly stylish small bathroom. And for a moody vibe, hexagonal tiles and round backlit mirrors are the ultimate trend for a modern small bathroom. We're diving deep into small bathroom design ideas that actually work. But first, smash that like button if you love these designs. Then hit subscribe to join our global community. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Embrace continuity. These large format marble tiles flow from floor to wall. This is a major small bathroom trend for 2026, making any space feel double its size. Next, go vertical. Recessed floating shelves with integrated lights add massive depth without stealing floor space. That's bathroom decoration at its finest. Now, look at this fusion. Herringbone wood meets white marble. It's all about contrast. This is how you elevate your modern bathroom interior design instantly. Finally, master your lighting. Whether it's moody anthracite or soft gray marble, backlit mirrors are essential. They turn a bathroom shower into a spa experience. Always remember that the perfect synergy of organic texture and dynamic lighting is your ultimate design power couple for all of 2026. To keep it stylish, focus on proportion. A floating vanity opens the floor, while a backlit mirror adds that elite glow. It turns any corner into a high-end suite. Embrace minimalism with a twist. These black accents on the ceiling and frames offer contemporary precision. It defines your space without the clutter. Don't ignore textured walls. A subtle 3D pattern adds character. In 2026, stylish is tactile. It's about how your sanctuary feels, not just looks. For a real wow factor, use a round mirror against wood slats. The curves break the room's rigid lines, adding a layer of sophistication that's trending globally. Finally, a warm palette. Beige and gold marble create that luxury hotel vibe. It's the easiest way to make your design feel expensive. Let's talk about the foundation of every design: luxury bathroom tiles. In 2026, we are obsessed with high-contrast marble. Using large format slabs with matte black fixtures creates a sharp architectural look that instantly modernizes a small space. Need texture? Vertical stacked tiles are the secret. These slim patterns draw the eye upward, making your ceiling feel higher. It's chic, sleek, and never overwhelms. Go natural with wood-look porcelain. Mixing organic textures with stone creates a biophilic sanctuary. It's durable and brings spa-like warmth to your modern small bathroom. The ultimate statement? Gold-veined marble. These are art pieces. Minimize grout lines for a seamless, expansive surface that screams opulence. This is luxury in 2026. To make your bathroom design absolutely perfect in 2026, first, embrace hidden storage. Recess your shelves into the walls to keep your modern small bathroom completely clutter-free. If it's out of sight, it's top-tier design. Second, you must layer your lighting. Combine a backlit mirror with floor-level LED glows. It creates dimension and makes your small bathroom decor feel like a luxury sanctuary. If you're ready to turn your home into a masterpiece, do the smart thing. Subscribe and join our global community. But before you go, I have to know, are you Team Marble or Team Wood? Tell me in the comments. I'm reading them all. Don't forget to like and share this with someone who needs a bathroom glow-up. I'm Aodi, and I'll see you in the next design session. Stay legendary.